In this video, we are going to talk about DFY dropshipping websites and provide a step-by-step guide to buying your first website. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model where you don't have to hold any inventory or manage any shipping. DFY or done-for-you dropshipping websites provide a fully functional website for your dropshipping business that is ready to start generating sales. Let's get started. Buying a DFY dropshipping website has several advantages. First, you don't have to worry about building a website from scratch. This saves a lot of time and effort. Second, these websites are designed to be conversion optimized, which means they have high chances of generating sales immediately. Lastly, they come with a pre-selected product range, so you don't have to spend hours researching products to sell. The first step in buying a DFY dropshipping website is choosing a provider. There are many providers available, so you should do your research and choose a reliable one. Look for reviews and testimonials from previous customers, and make sure they provide a good after-sales service. Once you have chosen a provider, the next step is to select a website package. These packages vary in price and features, so choose one that best suits your budget and needs. Some providers offer customizations, so if you have specific requirements, make sure to discuss them before finalizing your purchase. The third step is to set up your domain and hosting. Most providers offer domain and hosting as part of their packages. Once you have chosen a package, your provider will give you instructions on how to set up your domain and hosting. It's a simple process that takes only a few minutes. Once you have set up your domain and hosting, the next step is to customize your website. This includes adding your logo, product descriptions, and payment gateway. Most providers offer an easy-to-use dashboard to make these customizations. If you face any issues, you can always contact your provider for assistance. Congratulations! You have now bought your first DFY dropshipping website. The last step is to launch your website. Make sure everything looks good and all your products are available. Start promoting your website on social media or through paid advertising and watch your sales roll in.